Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 530D M Sport Touring XDRIVE in white. Now we have black kidney grills as well as M Sport styling kit, which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear diffuser. We have LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have privacy glass on the rear, as well as black roof bars. We have silver window trim, front and rear parking sensors. We have dual exhaust flush, rear to rear bumper and rear diffuser. And then we have the XDRIVE badging and 530 badging just there as well. We have the split fold tailgate, open button just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. Now if we head inside the car, we have full leather seats throughout, which are very comfortable, which are also heated and electric. We also have the BMW individual trim just there as well. Jumping inside the car, just there we have the Harman Kardon speakers, as well as the auto lights just down there. We also have heads-up display. We have satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity, phone connectivity, maps, navigation. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. And we also have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. Now, this vehicle has done just over 27,900 miles. It is free from any warning lights on the dash, as you can see. Now on the steering wheel, we have a multifunction steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter, as well as power shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. And we also have auto wipers just there as well. We have dual zone climate control, as well as 2 heated front seats, which work just as you would expect it to, and are perfect for those cold winter mornings. Now, this is what you use to control everything happens on the screen. Drive mode, select clutch control on and off, sort of parking sensors, electric parking brake with auto hold. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.